Welcome everyone. I am Pranit Bute from D3 section from MNTC. Today I am here for presenting a shop talk. My shop talk topic is fastener process. Introduction. A fastener process is a hardware device or mechanical joints or affix two or more elements with each other. In this, we can see that a fastening is a process of joining two or more elements with each other. In this fastening, there are two types, main types that we will discuss in the later slide. In general, fastenings are used to create non-permanent joints, that joints which can be removed and can be assembled again. Making of bolt or nut. Wire rods are mainly been used for making of or threading for the nut and bolt. This was the old method of making it because now it is been advanced by die passes. The main thing is done by pickling, drawing, heading, trimming, rolling, de-oiling of the rods, and heat treatment, glazing, and finished products. In this, we can see how is a thread is been impression is been put on the rod. In second, we will see temporary fasteners. As I had told you, we will see something two types of fastening. First one is temporary fastening and second is permanent fastening. In temporary fastening, we can see an image in which a nut and bolt is been given. This is the mostly commonly used fastening process or been used product. In temporary fastening, as the name says, it is a temporary thing. In temporary, we can know that it can be reassembled and rejoined again and again. We can use it more times and it is non-damageable. In permanent fastening, as we can know that fastening permanently, it says it is a permanent thing in which we cannot reassemble or disassemble the part again, because if one thing has been fastened permanently, then it can damage the thing while removing it again and again. Mostly commonly used fastening is permanent fastening is welding. Welding is the most easy method of fastening anything permanently. History. Now we will talk about the history of the fastening. Fastening was mainly been discovered by the ancient Egypt. Fastening is the thing in which in ancient Egypt the making of furnitures and many more other craftsman things were been more in use. So fastening was been done there because of joining any two objects. In a craftsman, the furnitures or anything were been joined with each other with something glues or anything, but that was not a permanent thing because it can be removed or it was not having that much strength. So fastening was being implemented and it was being invented in Egypt. The oldest method of fastening, a rivet. A rivet is a permanent mechanical fastener. Before being installed, a rivet is consist of a smooth cylindrical shaft with the head of an end. The end of the opposite end is called the tail. In rivet, we can mainly see a round head of the rivet for assembling it on the joint, and there is a hollow bottom and a cylindrical shaft present. In this image we can see the rivet. In rivet, what we can see is the in the top, as I said, there is a circular thing in which is been assembled in the product, and in the bottom we can see a hollow shell which is been insidely hollowed and is a cylindrical circle. And this is the most oldest method because it is easy to manufacture and assemble. Now we will discuss about some types of fastenings. In first, it is nut, bolt, screws, washers, key and keyways, stud, rivets, anchor, nail, inserts, retaining rings, and clews. In this image, we can see a nut and bolt diagram. Not only nut and bolt diagram, we can see many more diagrams in the below because this is the mainly used temporary fastening methods. These fastening methods are used in our daily lives. As we can see in our home furnitures or anywhere we are using a fastening method and which is temporary. In this we can see many images of a nut, screw, bolts, and L clamps. Thank you.